ownership tussle.
The two are 200 meters apart and sit at the border of Kakamega and Bungoma counties in Navakholo constituency.
A number of families are fighting over the ownership of the two islands. Already, one of the islands has been turned into a sugar plantation, while the other one has been taken over by local divers.
Willie Lesige has more on that.
Chimo and Wepe Islands at Chimo village sit on the expansive River Nzoia in Navakholo constituency, located a few meters away from Wihupo Falls. According to the locals, the two islands came into existence 8 decades ago when flash flood from River Nzoia destroyed and submerged houses and left 2 chunks of land, approximately a quarter an acre, each heaped in the middle of the river.
Hizi island mbili zimekuwa na misoso ya hapa na pale.
The two islands have been less important and no man's land until recently, when one of the locals decided to turn Chimo Island into a farmland and had a bumper harvest. But soon sibling disagreement kicked in over the ownership of the land.
Ndani tuna miwa. Na hiyo miwa walipanda bila sisi serikali kujua, na ndio imeanza kuleta msoso.
Tension occasionally flares up over the ownership of the two islands that now threatens the peace in the area.
Nimekaa kwa hii island miaka 68 ambao babu yangu aliniwachia kumiliki hii island.
Wepe Island has been taken over by local divers who get paid handsomely when they retrieve bodies from the river. The island has remained deserted and infested by reptiles, including snakes and crocodiles.
Kwa kipindi ambacho nimeishi hapa na miaka ambayo niko nayo 33, nimetoa karibu maiti inaelekea karibu 60.
Kwa kimila tunatakana kondoo na ng'ombe ndio wenye inafaa mpewe. Kama hakuna ng'ombe lazima pesa zinapewa, lakini kondoo nao inakuwa lazima. Pesa kama ngapi? Kama 50,000.
The local chief saying the government could be forced to plant trees on the island to lock out the public. It is yet to be known who will harvest the cane standing on Chimo Island.
Wasirudi hapo ili mzozo ipatikane. Hiyo ni no man's land, ni shamba ya serikali.
Willie Lesige, KTN News, Chimo Village, Navakholo.
Now on a positive